So I want to add a portal to teleport Ellen to another location. In this case, up here on the top of this large rock. So to do that, I go into prefabs, I go into scene control, and I'm looking for transition start. And I'm going to drag that to the location I wish Ellen to appear in. So she's going to appear up here on top of the rock. I now have to add my portal. I'll find that in prefabs. It's under environment and it's under structures. And there are 3 gateways, huge gateway with a door. And the last one there is a gateway teleporter, huge teleporter. So I'm going to drag that onto my screen here. It's certainly far too large. So I'm going to scale it down. And place it in the location I want it in. Let's put it there, and I'll rotate it a little bit so it's facing Ellen. It has a right side and a wrong side, so you can see there in the middle it's clear. On that side you can see the blue teleportation field. So I've now got, if I play the game or the level, I can see my teleportation devices over here, which I can run through. On the other side you can see there's nothing there. It's only on one side. So let's now link those together. Now to do that, we need to open up in the hierarchy on the left. There's the little arrow next to Gateway Huge Teleporter, which I can click to open up, and I can see there different parts. Now the part I want is teleport plane. That's the blue rectangle that she's going to run through. Over on the right I need to add a couple of things. So I need to add a box collider. So if I go add and type in box, you'll see box collider, and when I create that, the box collider should be already resized and ready to go. I now need to add a second component. In this case, I'm going to add a teleporter so that that's sitting in there as well. And you'll see in teleporter there are a couple of things. There is under teleporter layers. At the moment it says nothing. I need to change that to player so that when Ellen goes through, she interacts with the teleporter. Then there's both an enter and an exit effect. Now the effects we're going to use are already in play. They're inside Ellen. If we go to Ellen and open her up, we can see there's this respawn particles, and I'm going to drag that into the enter effect, and I'm going to drag those respawn particles into the exit effect. And then the only other one I need to do is find the destination transform, which is the location I'm teleporting to, which is this one here, the transition start 1. Transition start on its own is where Ellen begins the game, but we've just added a new one called transition start, and I drag that onto destination transform, and that should be it. If I now play my level, I should be able to run into the giant portal, and voila, I'm teleported to the top of the rock.